Breaking news, may bagong team, si Jamie Malonzo pero hindi sa PBA. At ang bagong team na ngayon ni Jamie Malonzo ay ang Kyoto Hanaris ng Japan B-League. At yun na nga po ang latest. Pumirma na si Jamie Malonzo ng bagong kontrata at pero sa ibang bansa yun, no? And he will play for Japan starting next season. So big news yun na with na Barangay Ginebra, no, with Jamie Malonzo signing with a different team. So ayun na nga, in-announce na yan ng kanyang bagong kupunan sa kanilang Instagram account. Kita nyo naman yung art card, no, signed Jamie Malonzo for the 2025 to 2026 season. At yung official announcement ay naganap on his 29th birthday at agad-agad may pabati na agad si Kyoto Hanaris kay Jamie Malonzo. And ito na nga yung kanyang greetings, no. Agad-agad ay binati na ng Kyoto Hanaris itong si Jamie Malonzo at kita nyo naman, nilike din ni Jamie Malonzo yung post na yan. So Jamie Malonzo leaves Barangay Ginebra, no, after averaging 13.4 points, 7.5 rebounds, 2.3 steals, 2.3 assists, 1.2 steals, and 0.6 blocks during the elimination round. Maganda rin yung kanyang numbers para sa Barangay Ginebra nung playoffs and in what became eventually his final game with Barangay Ginebra ay he scored 22 points and grabbed 4 rebounds and 2 assists in a loss to San Miguel sa Game 7 ng Philippine Cup Finals. So, yun na nga, no? Yun na yung last game ni Jamie Malonzo for Barangay Ginebra and he played for 3 years with Barangay Ginebra from 2022 to 2025 and he was acquired by Barangay Ginebra in a trade with Northport, no, kapalit si Arvin Tolentino, Prince Capiral, and yung season 48 first round draft pick na eventually naging si Cade Flores. So incidentally, yung two main pieces sa trade na yan ay hindi na maglalaro sa PBA next season because Arvin Tolentino has also moved on overseas and he will play next season sa Korea. So again, yung two main pieces ng trade na yan, hindi na po maglalaro sa PBA starting next season, no? And again, a huge blow for Barangay Ginebra. No more Jamie. And recently nga rin, no more LA na rin dahil na-appoint si LA Tenorio bilang head coach ng Magnolia Chicken Templados Hot Shots. So, 2 players agad ang mawawala sa Barangay Ginebra for next season. So, yun na po yung katanungan, no? Sinong papalit sa kanila? Dahil nga, ito na nga, yung rotation ng Ginebra ay talagang naging mas manipis, no? And we all know na si Coach Tim Cone is known to have a short rotation pagdating sa Barangay Ginebra. So ngayon, ang katanungan, sino na ngayon ang mag-step up sa Barangay Ginebra? Kayo, sino sa tingin nyo yung mag-step up at magte-take over ng Cudgels sa pwesto ni Jamie Malonzo? Will it be Maverick Hanmisi? Si Jason David kaya, will he get more playing time now that Jamie Malonzo is no longer with the team? Sino yung mag-step up ngayon sa Barangay Ginebra? Yun ang magiging tanong for next season. So, definitely it will be an interesting lineup for Barangay Ginebra next season dahil nga may dalawang players na wala na sa kanilang kupunan. Again, Jamie Malonzo moving to Japan and then LA Tenorio will also be playing, or sorry, hindi playing, coaching itong Magnolia next season sa 50th season ng PBA. So again, the latest in the PBA, hindi na po maglalaro si Jamie Malonzo sa Barangay Ginebra. He will instead be suiting up for Kyoto Hanaris of the Japan B-League. So yan na po ang latest. Thank you for watching our video and comment down below kung anong tingin nyo dyan sa nangyaring development na yan. We will see you next time.